Today we are going to learn how to perform a port site closure, also known as a simple buried suture. For this, you will need a needle driver, pickups, suture scissors, suture, and your behind-the-knife suturing board. As laparoscopic and robotic surgeries are commonly performed, many trainees are asked and provided the opportunity to close the port sites at the end of the case. I am going to demonstrate on a larger incision for training purposes, but remember you may be asked to perform the suture to close a small 5mm trocar site. For the suture, you're going to start by loading your needle into your needle drivers in the orientation for a forehand throw. We're going to lift the skin and insert the needle in the dermis and rotate our needle until the tip of the needle exits at the epidermal-dermal junction. You can help guide the exit of your needle using your pickups so the needle doesn't exit above or below this junction. At this point, we're going to enter into the epidermal-dermal junction at the same level that we came out, but on the opposite side. You can see that my needle is still in the orientation for a forehand throw, but is now pointed downwards. Use your pickups to elevate the skin edge. Enter in just below the epidermis, and rotate your needle until the tip comes out of the dermis. At this point, both of your tails should be coming out of the dermis, deep in the incision. You should also make sure that the tails are both on the correct side of the knot. You can now instrument tie this knot, making sure to pull your tails in line with the incision to allow for close approximation. Once you cut your tails, you've completed the port site closure.